Oh shit, they're playing fucking One Direction. Oh, none of this. How many bots? Bloody hell.
No more music bots now, because we've got a few minutes.
Right, is it now gone to the
Just, yeah.
Right, let's transition over to the next
Fucking stop it, Edward.
Oh, for God's sake.
Oi, cut the music.
Oh, this is great.
Right. 58. I'm gonna get my bootleg cam catching on.
Okay, panel started up.
Connor, what system are you going to activate?
Fucking hellfire.
This is going to be a big one. Right, it's now 35 minutes.
Shit, I'm getting a key in the fucking thing. Better turn myself off, push the shit.
So, 10 seconds and
Just
it's
put 2
59.
pairs of headphones on.
Voice activity.
Right, it's turning to 59 in 3, 2, 1.
Shit.
Boom, 59.
Yeah.
3:59.
We're here.
Yep.
Recording.
I'm recording.
Okay.
Are you
I'm not, because it'll be on your channel. Hello, YouTube.
Yeah, I'm gonna start recording.
Alright. Here we go then.
I'll start recording.
Shite.
It's gonna be an interesting
I've got to try and
one.
get this little beat drop thing, Bob.
Right. Is everybody ready?
It's just
Yeah.
about to be a...
Right.
Got left.
The 2020 sound off. We're joined by Community, of course. We've only got 20 seconds left.
Ooh, sugar.
Comments before I do absolutely fucking mental.
Hi. No.
Right.
We can't see shit from your camera.
Right, countdown. Ready?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Go! Cheers!
Hey! Fucking fireworks, lol. It's brilliant.
Oh my god. Is that just Connors?
He has got an American fire alarm, that's why.